Hello everyone, Turtlejaws here. Today I'm going to be sharing stories from memory with
Chicken Charles.
So, who wants to go first?
I'll go first.
Okay.
So, this one time in 4th grade, my friend and I had to do this project with Cheddar Pig. And he was loud and I was quiet on camera. In recording, it just didn't come out right. So, people would turn up the volume to hear me, and then he just shouted something random into the microphone. And if you can guess what it was chicken soup. And I did the same thing, except it was pretty quiet. He was talking about this rock, and he's like, and this rock is black. And I'm like, no, it's brown.
Okay. Well, you want to share another story?
No, okay. I remember this one time, I was going to apparently, I don't remember this too well, but I was going to the water park. I think it might have been the beach. No, it was just a regular day. So I was just walking around, I guess, on like a shopping day. And then whenever we got back to my grandma's house, which is where we were at the time, I had like sunburn everywhere. Apparently I bathed in milk that night. Seriously, they poured milk over my face.
Why?
Apparently that actually helped a lot. It stopped burning.
Okay. Well, today I'm going to share a story now, and it's not that exciting. So, my story is about my dog. So, it was a normal day. My brother was sick. I went to school. Though, I didn't go to the school that I go at now. I go to a different one. So, I went to the school thinking it was going to be a normal day. Well, as I was doing my school, my mom and as I was doing my schoolwork, my mom and my brother were rushing around town trying to get medicine because he was sick for his eyes because they were doing something, and then they get pulled over by a cop. Then the cop walks away for a second, and then my brother goes, "You know cops are supposed to be fat." Then my mom gets a ticket, then they drive away. So, then when they come home, our dog has this thing,
Shot collar?
No.
Okay.
Their mom and dad of the dog didn't have tear ducts, which tear ducts clear up your eye, so if there's something in it, you blink and it clears it up. So, our dog didn't have that. So, our dog sneezed, got in his eyes. He couldn't clear it out. We had to wash it out, and it still wouldn't come out. We had to put stuff on it. It couldn't come out. So, every day you would have to clean it out. Then you would let him go on his little adventure. Then he started like acting weird, and he wasn't normal. So when I went to Mexico with my aunt and my ex-aunt and ex-aunt's husband and ex-nana, I will explain what happened to them in another story. They had to put our dog down because he was suffering. So that's my story.
Wait, what? I've never known what putting down dogs is.
You you take a needle and then you put them in them, and then they just die or go to sleep forever. It just stops all their organs.
Wow. Okay, I've heard of a lot of stories of that, and now I'm way more depressed.
Okay. Do you want me to share another one?
Yeah, since I shared two.
Yeah. Today I'm going to be sharing a story.
You already said that. You don't need to say that every single time.
Well, I am. Okay, I'm going to talk my normal voice. So, I was on Xbox like I normally do, and I met these two people, girl and boy, which are a couple. I do some voice impressions like I usually do. Not some good ones, just my baby voice.
My demonic voice.
And a few ones in between.
I can do that too. I'm not as good as you at that. Oh my god.
It stuck a Sharpie down my throat.
I
We
wish
need some comedy gold for this video.
Yeah, I wish you could be, I wish I was just recording this.
Yeah. Well, we are.
Well, I mean, I was like recording this as bloopers.
Yeah, I could maybe. Well, this.
I don't have my phone
We
though.
probably shouldn't be talking about this.
No, we shouldn't. Okay, back to the story.
So it was a normal Xbox day going around talking to these people. Well, this person was a huge dingus. That's the end of the story. You want to go?
Okay, so, wait. Do you know about that story about the fishing trip?
No.
Well, I got hurt in that one, so I put that in a different video.
Oh, okay. You don't have to talk about it. They can go to
No,
your
I'm
channel.
just asking, should I put it in like, you know,
A different video?
should I put it in a green hat video? We use that as code.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to tell you a story about, let's see, 6 cats. And by the way, most of them are either dead or just not where they were born. Okay, I'm going to tell you about the one that's still alive. My grandma has had a cat that was like she had another cat named Boots, and then she got this one. Boots was the best cat. Okay, yeah, that's okay. 7 cats. Now, and then, their new cat had babies.
Okay.
And one of them, got to be taken home by my cousin.
Yeah.
And his name is Petey now. He's still alive today.
Oh.
In fact, most of the kittens are. Okay, I'm going to tell you about the kitten that, died because of the same cousin. But he got the kitten before he, did.
Do you think we should put it in this video? Or green hat video?
Green hat video, yeah. I'll put that in a different video. Let's just say bad things happened to that cat. I'll talk about it in a different video. Dang it, it's ruined. I can't put it back up.
Boom. Fixed. Now it looks like they're limping. Okay. So.
Cool. So, then my brother had a cat and my other brother had a cat. So, one of the cats, my brother gave it to me. Then the other cat named, I believe it was, I forgot his name, but we thought he was just a plain black cat, but he was like a black panther, which actually has like tiny shades of darker and lighter stripes. And so one day, I come home and find my brother that had, I'll call the cat Richard, yeah.
Richard the cat.
Richard. Yeah, but I know but both the cats had like L's at the beginning of their name. There's Luna and I can't remember his name.
Lily?
It was a boy.
Oh.
Leonard. Richard, I'll call him Richard. Apparently Richard accidentally got run over by my dad, which had a box truck for his job, and he went around restocking stores. Apparently, he was backing up back into the driveway after work, and ran over the cat.
Oh. Bye-bye, little Tim Tim.
Well, then, a couple years later, he got a new cat named Ricochet. And my cat was named Luna. So, my cat, Luna, when we had to move, and Ricochet. Ricochet was the best cat ever.
Huh?
I just say that. He would him and the dog would fight and just run around the house. Whenever my dad's playing a game, they would jump up behind him on the back of the chair and just annoy him out of his mind. Yeah. So, nothing bad happened to my cat Luna and Ricochet until we moved. We had to send them to my grandma's because right now we're living in a rental house, which we can bring pets there, which costs extra. Like the dog named Zipper is there right now, and so Luna